Hey, in this video I'm just going to talk a bit about Microthemer's generated CSS. So you can see that anytime via the settings menu. In the general section, if you click on generated code, Microthemer displays all of the code you've got in use here. If you've got the default setting of global important on, you'll see that each style has important, but you can go ahead and turn that off, set that to no here, save the preferences. And then if we go back to the generated code, we'll see that that's all been removed. So you can turn that off in one go. While you're working in Microthemer, Microthemer will write all of its styles initially to a file called draft styles, and that's located here. It's called draftfiles.css, and this is the path to it. It's only when you click the publish button that your styles will be written to this file called activestyles.css. So this is the file that regular site visitors see. This is the file, draft styles is the file that will load for logged in administrators, basically people who have access to Microthemer. So you can try out new styles without committing on a live site without worrying about site visitors being able to see them. Also, if you've enabled Sass, there'll be an extra tab here where it'll show the raw Sass code as well as the compiled CSS. So to enable Sass, you go to Preferences and then set this option to on. Finally, if you are tempted, you can't edit this area here, by the way. If you want to edit the CSS, you would, rather than using the UI, like here, you need to use the code editor option here to edit the styles. Or if you've entered some styles via the full code editor, then that's in this view. So you would edit those here rather than via the generated CSS file. Because this file, even if you have this path and you're looking at the file directly on your server, it's best not to edit it because it will get overwritten as soon as you make a change in Microthemer in future. If you want to use this CSS in any other way, like you want to copy it somewhere else, I recommend watching our video on how to uninstall Microthemer and still make use of the styles the style changes that you've made with it. So if you go to Preferences and then Inactive, there's some instructions here, and I've made a video which talks you through that a bit more. Okay, so thank you for watching.